Hi ABSS Accounting Connect and ABSS Premier Connect users in Singapore. Welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through how to map items, synchronize e-bills, send GST InvoiceNow transactions, and submit bill responses using ABSS Accounting Connect or ABSS Premier Connect. To begin, navigate to the card file and select Card List. Click on the Supplier tab and choose the supplier you wish to manage. Once the supplier profile is open, click the Map Item List button at the bottom left of the screen. Within this section, you can select the supplier's items and map them accordingly to ensure accurate data classification and consistency. Next, to synchronize your e-bills, click on the File tab and select Process e-invoice, e-bill, EPO. Select Sync e-bill/debit note. Then click the Sync button and you will be prompted to log in using your credentials. After logging in, please allow a few moments for the synchronization process to complete. A confirmation message will be displayed once the sync is successful. To send a GST InvoiceNow transaction, select Purchases Register. Use the search function to locate and open the invoice you wish to submit. Once the invoice is open, click the Send button at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation prompt will appear. Simply click Send again to proceed. A notification will appear confirming that your e-invoice has been successfully sent to the InvoiceNow network. Lastly, to send a bill response, click the Bill Response button located at the bottom of the screen. In the Bill Response window, select the appropriate filter from the available options as demonstrated. To provide additional context, enable the Remark option and enter your response message. Click Send to complete the process. You will receive a confirmation message once your response has been successfully submitted. We hope this guide helps you manage your digital transactions more efficiently with ABSS. Thank you for watching.